Okay guys, we have finished cutting up the apricot and the mangoes. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take out some of the mangoes and I'm gonna, leave it on the side to put it in separately. The rest, I'm gonna be putting it in the bullet and I'm gonna be blending it, okay? So continue watching. Okay guys, so I've left some on the side. This is a small proportion of the apricot that I left on the side to apply to our ice cream after. And this is what I'm going to put in the bullet to blend. Okay guys, I'm gonna pour some of this mixture, this blended fruits into the bowl. I'm just gonna leave a little bit into the jar. Okay, now I'm gonna pour some condensed milk, some sweetened condensed milk. Yeah, I'm gonna pour it into the bullet and I'm gonna give it a little blend, just a little whiff to loosen it up. We're gonna pour the condensed milk now in, and we're gonna just mix it in. Pretty much we're sweetening it at this point. Perfect. To this, I'm gonna add some vanilla. I'm gonna add just a tidbit of Himalayan salt, just a little drizzle. Less than a teaspoon, just a little drizzle, guys. Let's give it another little taste. Perfect. Perfect. All right, so I'm gonna set this aside and I'm gonna move on to the next process. I'm gonna use 3 cups. This is 2 cups. This is 2 cups, guys. And I'm gonna use 1 more cup. Okay guys, so now we have our mango and apricots. These were done in the bullet, and we have our whipped cream all nice and fluffy. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour the apricot and the mango in. All right. And then remember, we had some of the apricots on the side that I had cut or chopped finely. I'm gonna put that in as well. Now we're not gonna give this a stir. We're just gonna fold it in. Get everything nicely combined. Color of the mangoes and the apricots. All right, I'm gonna give this a taste. Oh yes, perfect. Right. Some folks put a plastic, piece of saran over it. I have a tightly sealed lid. I'm just gonna cover it as is. And I'm gonna put it in my freezer. This should freeze for approximately 5 to 6 hours or more. You can leave it overnight. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna leave mine for overnight, guys. Okay guys, if you enjoy this video, please give it a like, comment, and share. Here are my ice creams. Now they're going to be going into the freezer. Okay. This is a 32. Now let's move on to make our grape nut flavored ice cream. Container, and I'm gonna give it a whisk. You don't have to, you could use 1 cup, 2 cup, depending on the amount that you're making, but I'm making a big batch. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is cut my condensed milk, right? And I'm gonna pour it in because while I'm whisking, I want it to sweeten as well. And you don't want to stir after you start to whisk. After you start to fold in your ingredients, you don't want to stir. So I'm going to do it at this point. Okay. Then we're going to add our vanilla. For this one, I'm going to be using a nice big tablespoon. Then I'm going to put a bit of Himalayan salt. A pinch, not a lot, just a pinch. All right. Then I'm going to add my granulated sugar, which I'm not going to use a whole lot. Let me see how much I'm going to use first. Quarters of that 1/2 cup, okay? I'm going to put that in. And we're going to whisk this until it gets stiff, guys. guys, it's getting thicker. Okay, we're finished mixing. So now I'm gonna put the grape nut in it. Let's see if I can put it in without it floating over. This is the whole idea of it, guys, so it just doesn't fall to the bottom. It's coming over a little bit, but that's okay. Guys, I'm not sure about you, but I like a lot of the grape nut. Okay, guys, so I start pouring some already. As you could see, our container was really full. So I put some in it already, and I drizzle a little bit more of the grape nut on the top, just so that it doesn't, if you can see, yeah, just so I have some of the grape nut in the middle of it. Okay, it's nicely distributed, but I like a lot of grape nut, guys, a lot of grape nut. So this I'm gonna put into the freezer. See, you could see the grape nut all around the container, guys. See, it's all around, didn't just settle at the bottom. See that? Awesome. So let's look at all that grape nut. Okay, guys, we are going to check on our ice cream now. The grape nut ice cream we're about to dig in, and we are going to show you what that looks like. Jamaican grape nut ice cream. So you have to let this sit for a while, guys, at least, 20-30 minutes before thaw enough. Put it in some hot water so I can get it sliding through it nicely. All right, guys, I'm gonna dig into my ice cream, and we Jamaicans, we no want nothing power grape nut ice cream, strictly as is. We want to get all that is from it. Look at that creaminess. Look at that. Look at that creaminess. Look at that nuttiness. real nutty grape nut, Jamaica grape nut ice cream, guys. Look at that. This is good, guys. Comment, like, and share. Watch the videos to the end, guys. I would encourage you to make this ice cream. I'm going to be putting the recipe in the description. Check out the recipe. Try it. Easy to make. No big machinery. Simple and easy. Grape nut ice cream. Also, my mango apricot peach ice cream. Totally delicious. Until next time, I catch you in my next videos. And remember, I have reached over 20,000 views. Let's keep the views going. If it wasn't for you, it's no use. So I just want you to know that I really appreciate you watching my content, and I look forward to putting out more content. See you in my upcoming videos. Bye for now. Thank you for watching.